Urvani Singh and Asha Mahan.
College for my junior year, so I have 2 years left. So I'm playing on the team and practicing hard, and then let's see how it goes.
Are you going to come back to India and play for India again?
Like for amateurs to play in India, they have to. The way they send the team is like either they have trials or they from the merit list. And since I'm not here, I haven't really had the chance to compete in any trials or be on the merit list here. So I don't think. I mean, if they could make the exception for me or something like that, I would love to. But I think, I mean, it's not fair to the other players to just pick me as well. But I mean, I'd love to play again for India, but let's see if that's feasible, considering I'm in America. I've been lucky enough to represent India a lot of times since I've been. The first time I went was Philippines for the Asia Pacific when I was 12, and the last time I went was for the Asian Games in Korea. So I've represented India a lot of times, and that's what I miss the most about when I went to college. I think just going for these tournaments with your teammates, and we were all friends on tour, so with your friends and then people like the men's team as well. It used to be so much fun. I mean, just like staying together, we'd like do fun things, and it was just bonding with each other. It was so much fun. I think I definitely miss that a lot. Yeah. Growing, it's the more and more girls playing every year. When I used to play in India, and now I've come back after 2 years, and they're almost all new players like from when I was playing. So it's great to see them moving on, playing professionally or playing in America or internationally, and then new girls playing junior and amateur tours. So it's great, and I hope more and more keep on.